Hyundai hit the refresh button on the Tucson and updated the compact SUV for 2019. This is a good thing, as the previous Tucson had some issues in our tests. A modern interior boosts some of the Tucson's appeal, but overall, we think it needs more to be a front-runner in a crowded, competitive class. The biggest change is under the hood. Gone is the old, underpowered 1.6-liter turbocharged engine. In its place is a 2.4-liter four-cylinder matched to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Base models get a 2-liter four-cylinder engine, but we found it underpowered and noisy in our tests. The Tucson's handling is responsive and agile, and it takes on corners well. True, it doesn't feel as sporty as a Mazda CX-5, but it does keep body lean to a minimum. Large door openings mean the Tucson's easy to get in and out of. The seating position gives drivers a good view of the road, but visibility isn't as good as what you'd find in a Subaru Forester. Both blind spot warning and rear cross-traffic warning come standard on all Tucsons except for the base version. The cabin is plain and it's dominated by hard plastic. A strip of carbon fiber-like trim breaks up the dashboard, and the infotainment screen adds a modern feel. Controls are typical Hyundai, uncluttered, well-organized, and easy to use. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility comes standard. We love that all Tucsons come with a standard suite of advanced safety features that include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keep assist. It also performed well in Insurance Institute for Highway Safety crash tests and earned a 2018 Top Safety Pick distinction. While this updated Tucson is a well-rounded vehicle, there's still room for improvement. And in this ultra-competitive class, there are loads of other vehicles out there that may offer a better balance of attractive features for the same price. The Tucson SEL we tested came with additional niceties, like standard dual-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats and outside mirrors, and adaptive cruise control. All in, it cost $28,530. For more on compact SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.